Hi Springford families and 5, 6, 7 speech and language students. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mrs. Kenny and I'm a speech and language pathologist at the 5, 6, 7 Center. Today with my family we're going to go on a nature scavenger hunt. This is a great way to build language, add descriptors to items we're finding outside, and to have some fun. And these are my helpers. What's your name?
Sarah.
What's your name? Maggie. Let's go have some fun.
Ooh, is that brown? Did you find something brown? What do you see? A worm?
Yeah.
Is it a slimy worm?
I touched it.
He's slithering now.
Ow. It's big.
He's climbing off the rock. What did you find?
A log.
Is it heavy or is it light?
Heavy.
What's it heavier than?
A lunchbox.
What did you find?
Leaf pile.
And how do they sound?
Crunchy.
Let me hear it.
Thank you for joining us on our outdoor scavenger hunt. I hope you can get outside and enjoy yourselves too. At the end of this video clip, there's suggestions for what you can look for outside, or you can make your own or do an indoor scavenger hunt. See you later.